Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. Today let's just do a very simple Anglo-Indian prawn curry. I'll take you through the steps. So let's get started. So first of all, we need around 500 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns. Now it depends on what size of prawns you get. So no problem at all. Just see that they are cleaned and deveined. Then we need chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You can add some green chillies if you like. So then we go to the powders, which is a teaspoon each of red chili powder and cumin and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So heat oil in the pan and you start frying your onions till they are light brown. Then you add in your cumin, chili and turmeric powder and fry well. They get a lovely reddish color as you're frying. Next we'll add our tomatoes and your green coriander. And those chilies if you like, and just keep frying well. Let the tomatoes turn as soft as possible. Just keep frying. It will turn out to be a lovely colorful mass. So then you'll see that the tomatoes are turning quite soft. At this stage, you can add in your prawns. Mix well. You'll see that you do it on medium heat. You'll see that the prawns are getting firm. Then add your salt. Add your salt to taste. And then cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes till the prawns give out some water. Okay, at this stage you can add a little more water if you like. Then cover and simmer for a few more minutes, and then you turn off your heat and your prawn curry or prawn fry is ready. So if you like this video, please like and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.